How is it? How is it, Mark? Mark's crawling on his knees. Not a good sign at this stage in the game. Tony.
Offset Stephen Pass goes to New Zealand every summer.
Oh, really, to ski?
Yeah.
Cool.
He's actually in Greece right now, and then he's going to Australia New Zealand for August.
How is it?
Yahoo! Walk in the park, right, Mark? It's midway, buddy. Good job. Fire this baby up. Huh? Fire this baby up. No, not yet. You'd be hating that. We got a little farther to go yet.
Tony, your footprint saves me. So Mark, how was the skiing today? Are you tired?
Uh-huh.
What about Dana and Tony? Tired from hiking to the top?
Yeah. Piece of cake.